Plant FAQs. Begonia U309. Begonia U309. Unveiling the allure of this mysterious begonia. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm a devoted plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for unique and intriguing begonias. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of Begonia U309, an unidentified species that has captured the hearts of collectors worldwide. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia U309? Begonia U309 is an enigma in the begonia world. Unlike its well-defined brethren, it lacks a formal species designation. This beauty was discovered in 1990 at the Penang Botanic Garden in Malaysia and assigned the code U309 due to its unidentified status. What makes Begonia U309 special? Despite its lack of a scientific name, Begonia U309 boasts captivating characteristics. Its most striking feature is its foliage. Imagine large, silvery leaves adorned with prominent, dark veins. This captivating contrast creates a stunning visual texture, making it a standout in any collection. Is Begonia U309 easy to care for? Begonia U309 is considered a relatively easygoing plant, perfect for both seasoned gardeners and beginners. Here's a quick rundown on its care requirements. Light. This begonia thrives in bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Maintain consistent moisture in the soil, allowing the top inch to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. Moderate humidity levels are ideal. If your environment is dry, consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Soil. A well-draining, aerated potting mix is essential. Opt for a mixture specifically formulated for begonias. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize with a balanced, diluted fertilizer every few weeks. Withhold fertilizer during dormancy, fall and winter. How big does Begonia U309 get? Begonia U309 can reach a mature height of 15 to 18 inches, making it a compact to medium-sized houseplant. Its rhizomatous growth habit means it spreads horizontally underground, sending out new shoots from its rhizomes. Propagating Begonia U309. There are two main methods for propagating Begonia U309. Leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf with a petiole, leaf stalk, attached. Plant the petiole in a well-draining medium and maintain consistent moisture. New growth will emerge from the base of the petiole. Rhizome division. When repotting a mature Begonia U309, you can carefully divide the rhizome into sections, ensuring each section has at least one growing eye. Repot the divisions in separate pots with fresh potting mix. Common problems with Begonia U309. Overwatering. This is the most frequent issue. Signs include yellowing leaves, drooping stems, and mushy roots. Adjust your watering schedule and allow the soil to dry partially between waterings. Pests. Begonia U309 can be susceptible to common houseplant pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Regularly inspect the plant and treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Low humidity. Dry air can cause crispy leaf edges. Increase humidity levels using a humidifier or a pebble tray. Begonia U309 versus other popular begonias. Begonia U309 stands out with its unique, silvery foliage with dark veins. Here's a comparison with two popular begonias. Begonia rex. This begonia shares the characteristic of having stunning, patterned leaves. However, Begonia rex varieties typically have a broader range of colors and patterns compared to the primarily silver and green of Begonia U309. Begonia masoniana. This iron-cross begonia boasts beautiful, textured leaves, but they are typically smaller than those of Begonia U309. Additionally, Begonia masoniana has a trailing growth habit, while Begonia U309 grows more upright. Where to find Begonia U309? Due to its unidentified status, Begonia U309 can be challenging to locate. Online retailers specializing in rare begonias and plant nurseries with a focus on unique varieties might occasionally offer this plant. The allure of the unknown. The enigmatic nature of Begonia U309 adds to its mystique. While lacking a scientific name, this begonia boasts captivating beauty and a manageable care routine. With proper care, This unique plant will grace your home for years to come.